You got games on your phone?
I put my money on casino.
White chocolate on your nose, or is it dry? This thing works.
Yeah, it is.
Edna mode.
You trying to walk? Or are you guys gonna wait? I'm gonna walk around like this, bro. I don't want to hold the camera. Just put it on my head.
Hell yeah.
Mining, bro.
Yeah, and that way I don't gotta worry about pointing it here. It's just, it's like wherever I look, I could see.
No.
Yeah, dude, I don't want to hold the camera. You got the Bill Bob brakes, babe. They put a fucking 4-valve in here. So this is from the Mach 1.
I think you should keep the camera.
No, I'm gonna keep it on my head.
Because what if you need to get closer?
That's basically your motor, right?
Well, this one's a little bit better because it's the 4-valve. Mine's the 2. This is 4 valves per cylinder, and it's dual overhead cam. Mine's single overhead.
Is this the Mach 1 motor? Or?
Yeah, it's a Mach 1 motor. It's clean though.
Yeah, no, it's clean.
Huh? Oh yeah. Tondo. Put me on bags. Didn't we see this one? I feel like we did. Damn. Whipple. This. NorCal Racing. Don't touch my roof, bitch. No, I'm just kidding. Oh my god. I told you this thing had a turbo. That's crazy. Vortec. That just sound like a jet. Oh, shh.
I think you should keep it
No,
handheld.
I don't.
Turn your head too much.
I don't want to keep it handheld. I want to put it on my head. No, everybody has a handheld. See, I'm doing it different. I'm out here.
It's more stable.
I don't care.
When you're going
Well, so? Well, that's the power of editing, babe. You can freaking cut clips. Damn, hella camber. Destroyer gray, or is that the different color? Huh? Where? Huh? Who? Oh. I don't know who you were talking about. Coco, huh? There's a car behind us, but you don't hear it. You know why? It's a Tesla. Oh wait, never mind. It's a series. That's hella quiet. Upgraded supercharger. Damn. Oh. God damn. Dude. Oh, you see those valve covers? Look at the manifold. Oh, that's crazy. Well, that thing is wild. You see the fuel rows? Look, babe. That carbon fiber. I know this thing moves.
Bro, this is that.
No, I never seen this color in person. But look at it.
Color.
Huh? It is. It's like change. Look, right here it's like green. Then you come over here, it's fucking purple.
Come over here, blue.
Blue.
Siempre fiel hasta que muera, para la acción nunca me rabia. Estrella con la carrocha. No quiero carrochas. Marca. fucking crazy.
Hey, let me hear it. Alright, you wanna go that way now?
I was showing you
I know. What?
the one
Where?
from last week.
This one?
Yeah.
The blue one?
Yeah.
What? I don't think so, but I know the bumpers are different. Cause look, see how it has that opening? Yeah, yours doesn't. Oh my god, I see him. I know. I'm going around. Relax. Oh my god. Go pet them. They're so cute. Hello. They're so cute. Hello.
I already have one. They're hella cute.
Yeah, no, there's 4. I know. Hi.
They're a German Shepherd and Belgian Malinois mixes.
Oh, they're gonna be some crazy ass dog. Look, he got the schmitz. Hey, bro, I like the shirt. Where'd you get it?
Right here at G's Palace, actually.
For real?
Yeah.
Damn, that shit hella clean. Yeah. It's a chick. Anybody need it? They are. You hear that? You hear that? That thing boasted. Jeez. Hey, wait, I got something in my eye.
I know what it is.
Look, it's a helicopter.
That one's too.
My friend Neil one right here.
Hey, that's clean though. The wrap,
He's a youngster too.
he getting it. 10 speed or stick? 6 speed? That's what's up.
Gotta assess before that.
Upgraded.
Hot Wheels. Hot Wheels.
All right, let's go look at Hot Wheels. Oh damn, what the?
Sí, güey. Kill.
Oh, but look, you got like a little mini connect collection. That's sick. Ooh, okay.
My ancestors.
Look, get it? Okay. Alright, okay, for sure. Appreciate it, bro. Thank you. You too. For sale? Is it a 6-speed? It is. Man, we chopping over here. Sheesh. You happy with your Hot Wheel? What happened, babe?
Did you know SPO6?
Yeah, it's that one. Yeah.
I know he sold it to you.
Yeah, hey, when I first saw it, I was like, what the f? I was like, this looked familiar, because he didn't have the welds on.
When I saw his video, he's like,
Yeah.
he's like, oh, I'm gonna call the winner right now. He's like, oh, I'm gonna pick the winner. And he's like, he said his name, and he's like, from San Jose, California. I'm like, what the f?
Yeah.
I'm like,
They made it out here.
I know. Hey.
Huh? What? Hey, Whipple. Yeah, that's it. The Whipple.
Rap by saying.
Yeah, and the wrap.
Want some?
No, I'm good. I'm good. Man. Nah, I'm good. I'm good.
It's just a little alcohol with a little.
I'm good. What's up? How you been? Good. We should watch out. This shit's clean though. You wanna see this Camaro right here? Look.
Sure.
Oh, the bumper exit. This thing's crazy. Hey, look, freaking the exhaust is coming out the side. Yeah. The bumper exit. This thing's wild.
I like how it's like micro.
Yeah. Sheesh. Yeah, they're hella clean. God damn. Yeah. I bet you this thing sounds fucking Nasty. It's an on 3 kit too. Look. Yeah. Wow. Hey Marco, look at this. Yeah. Yeah, it is. It's the year that I want. Oh, I think it is. Yeah, they're the same. They're the same.
Dude, I want to see some.
I know they're hella clean. I want a black one.
Yeah.
Bruh, I want a black C63 hella bad. Yeah. These ears are hella nice. I have Hey, at least he didn't Mustang it. Bro, stop bumping into me. Hey, baby, look at the Madeline. Madeline? Got him. Where'd my girl go? Oh, there she is. Oh, look, the boys are here. Damn. Look, hey, it's Sheriff's too. It's Sheriff's way. Damn. Fuck. Oh, damn. Probably. They're probably gonna try to block us in or guide us out. They stay doing this shit, so. Well, if they were here earlier.
What's up, my man? How are you?
Good. What about you guys?
Hi.
Did you guys find parking?
We're down the street. We want to cross the street. Yeah. We said F that line,
no,
dude.
it's hella packed. Are you guys East Bay Collision? Yeah. I saw it on the story. Yeah, I was like, wait, what the hell? My girl was like, hey, babe, look, this is East Bay Collision.
Which car you guys got?
So you guys are working on my girl's Charger, the black
Jenny
Daytona.
with the Hemi.
Yeah, Jenny with the Hemi. That's her.
It's almost done. Hopefully this week.
Hey, just let me know. Hey, I'm gonna be like, got an update on my girl's car. Damn, rip it that thing. He smashed it. What's up with you? Oh, Mario, what's up, bro?
How you doing?
I didn't recognize you with the beard.
I know,
my boy.
I know.
Middle school, you ain't have shit.
Hey, hey, come on.
I put my money on casino.